Hi everyone, it's Sam from SiteMate. In this video, we're going to look at how we can create a list by doing an import and how we can later export that list as a CSV file if needed. And this is really helpful because a lot of the time, things like lists of cost codes, lists of plant, lists of people, typically these things are managed in registers, either in Excel or Google Sheets or another software or program. And so if you want to start using these lists in Dashpivot, which we would recommend, creating them from scratch can take quite a bit of time. So Dashpivot actually has an importing option to speed up this process. And in this video, we're going to create a list of employees. So the first step is to create a list and call it employees. And what we want to do is use this option here to import a CSV file. This is really important. Excel files are not supported, so we need to make sure that our list is a CSV file. So I actually already have a spreadsheet here that has the list of people who we want to import. So all I'm going to do is go to File, Download, and then make sure that we select the CSV option. So this is available in Excel, it's available in Google Sheets, and most programs offer the ability to export as a CSV file. Just make sure that that's the one that you select. I'm going to do that download, and then when we go back to Dashpivot, instead of manually adding new items into our list and they would appear here, we're going to click this button that says Import CSV. We're going to select the CSV file that we just exported, open it up, and it populates all of the list items here. You'll notice that it puts them in alphabetical order. From here, we can start to add to the list if we need to. So we can add new people into the list. Again, Dashpivot just updates it so it's all alphabetical. And we can add new properties as well. So if we click Add Property, maybe we want to have our license number for each person as a column of text. So we can add that in and then add another one for maybe license expiry, and maybe that's a date field, and maybe another one for the actual license record. Maybe that's an attachment property. So we can start to add these things in. A couple of things to note about the importing and exporting in Dashpivot. You see that we have both options here. So this is to import, this is to export. When we're doing, if we were to re-import a list that we have, it's going to overwrite any of the items that we already have here. And both with the importing and the exporting, at the moment we only support importing and exporting the list items. So everything in this first column. If you run an import, you won't be able to import any of the list properties. And the same thing happens when you go to export. The list properties will not be included. So just something to note there. And that's how you can do an import inside of Dashpivot. If you want to create a list really quickly, that's the best way to do it. If you would like to check out some other functionality and features that we have in Dashpivot, definitely head to the tutorial section on the website. But if you get stuck or have a specific question, you can always reach us via the live chat, both on the Dashpivot website and in the Dashpivot app. So I hope this has been useful, and thanks for watching.